My morning routine. The day begins when the first light of dawn touches my room. The air is cool and fresh. I open my eyes slowly, feeling the calmness of a new day. I sit up and look out of the window. The sky is painted with soft shades of orange and pink. Birds are already singing. Their voices make the morning feel alive. I step out of bed and take a deep breath. The smell of the early morning fills me with peace. I fold my blanket neatly and keep my bed tidy. This small act makes me feel ready for the day. I walk to the washroom. The cold water on my face wakes me completely. My mind feels clearer. I brush my teeth and wash away the sleepiness. The sound of running water is gentle, almost like a song. After freshening up, I move to my little corner where I stretch my body. My arms reach up, my legs stretch forward, and I feel my muscles slowly waking. These moments are quiet and simple, but they give me energy. Next, I go to the kitchen. I boil water for my tea. The steam rises and disappears into the air. The smell is warm and inviting. I prepare my breakfast, something light but healthy. Sometimes it is bread with butter, sometimes a small bowl of fruits. Eating slowly, I enjoy each bite. I listen to the sounds around me, the ticking clock, the rustle of leaves outside, the distant hum of traffic starting in the streets. After breakfast, I open the window wide. The fresh air flows into the room. I look at the plants by the window. Their green leaves shine under the soft sunlight. I give them water and watch the drops slide down like tiny jewels. When my body is full of energy and my mind is calm, I sit at my table. This is the time I read or write. Some mornings I open a book. The pages take me to new worlds. Other mornings I write my thoughts in a notebook. It clears my mind and makes me feel grateful. Before I begin my day's work, I take a few minutes to close my eyes and breathe deeply. I focus on the present moment. I think about what I want to achieve today. This small habit makes my whole day more meaningful. Morning is more than just the start of the day for me. It is a time to prepare my body, mind, and heart. Every step of my routine has its own purpose. Waking up early, keeping my space clean, eating well, moving my body, and caring for my plants all remind me to live with care and intention. When I finally leave my home, I feel ready. I know the morning has given me everything I need: a fresh mind, a healthy body, and a calm heart.